What's up, Math Made Easy fans? Today we are going to be bringing you another TI kind of Nspire CX II tutorial from the Math Made Easy Studios. How to analyze normal distributions, so like bell curves, things like normal PDF, normal CDF, all that great stuff we're going to be doing in this short video. How many of you guys actually own this calculator? Comment down below if you own this calculator. Make sure to leave a like on this video. 20 likes and I will do more tutorials similar to this one. Okay. So first step, you got to turn it on. You can actually see me in the reflection. That's so epic. So you got to turn it on. You got to wait for it to load, which is not epic. And then what I do is I just go to the scratch pad and then I hit menu. Okay. From menu, you will see this. You got to hit 5 probability. 5 distributions. Then you have 1, 2, and 3 as the normal PDF, normal CDF, and inverse normal respectively. If I was to click 2 normal PDF, it kind of assumes you're working with z-scores, but you can change the mu and the sigma if you want to. So you want to find, what percentage of points under this bell curve have a z-score of less than 1.5. Just click OK. We can see about 93.3193% do. So that's how you do that. Please tell me if you want me to do tutorials on this again, and smash like if you do. Hope that was helpful. Hope you enjoyed. For now, Math Made Easy. Peace out.